this lining system, which again is fairly new to the world in the last 20 years. I mean, I first learned about it from a listener in Tucson who lived in the foothills, and he said, we hired a California company to come reline our sewer lines because my wife wasn't going to saw cut through 4,000 square feet of tile to replace the sewer lines. And I said, well, keep me posted. Let me know how that works out. And there are times and places for that. Absolutely.
Absolutely. There's a right application for everything. That's why I mentioned 3 different things: coating, lining, and pipe bursting. And then direct replacement like you did. There's definitely an application for everything, but the lining has come a long way. I mean, it works really, really good, and so does pipe bursting. We're saving tons of damage inside of a home. Sometimes there still has to be some, but imagine only doing one spot, one bathroom versus the whole house.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.